Hey everybody, it's Brad again. Got the drone out today on St. Patrick's Day. First flight for 2024. Was getting cabin fever and couldn't take it anymore and had to get it out. It is a little windy today, so it definitely did some testing of the Potenzic's level 5 wind resistance, and I'll tell you what, it did a pretty good job. Again, I am just so thoroughly impressed with this drone. The camera is incredible. The wind resistance is great. This little thing is easy to fly. Doesn't have to be registered by the FAA. I'm loving it. I will be putting some more stuff up on my YouTube channel this summer. At one point we are going to be going to Gettysburg, and even though I know I can't fly over the actual battlefield because of federal regulations, we are staying at a bed and breakfast built in 1812 on the edge of the battlefield, and I've contacted the owners, and I can fly from their yard up as long as I don't cross over into the battlefield. I can get some good aerial photography of the battlefield and of the old inn that we're going to be staying in, which was used as a hospital during the Civil War, and it's haunted, which is awesome. I'm also going to be driving a supercar here in April. I don't know that I won't get any footage of that, with the drone, but I'm hoping to get some, maybe some pictures of the car and stuff before I go out to drive. I'm going to be driving a Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS. It's going to be an experience. But at any rate, stay tuned. There'll be more videos coming up this summer, and hopefully we can grow the channel a little bit. And any of you out there that have Potenzic Atom, tell me what you think of it. Tell me what you think. Would love to hear some comments. So if you watch the video and you like it, give it a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down at the bottom. I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you, and stay tuned. There's more to come.